Karma, and Young Swag. This chicken song. Say people, we eat chicken almost every day. It's something that you do to make your muscles grow. Everybody wanna be strong and black too, but black people, yes, we really got it. Thank you. You get the flour and your pot and your season salt. You mix it all together, yes, it's gonna do you well. You put it in the stove and put the stove on high. Don't put it on too high, cause your breath gonna touch that. We know we like chicken. Everybody know we eat chicken. If you ain't black and you ain't never ate chicken, come on, baby, give me in my kick. You heard what I said? Eat chicken today, you eat it tomorrow, and don't you care what they say? Cause chicken is good, yes, chicken is great, and chicken is for you. If you heard what I say, and we always eating chicken. Chicken, 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 chicken. Let me tell you one thing that we do with this chicken in the kitchen and it's very good. Everybody know that we coming through the hood looking like we not just because. Got a big eyes and a big butt. Ooh, I'm sorry, baby. We got this chicken in here and it is marinating. Put it on the grill. Ooh, and eat it up. And eat it with bread. KFC, pot pie, or churches instead. Chicken, baby. Chicken, baby. Chicken, baby. Chicken, baby. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Chicken, 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 chicken. Chicken head, bruh. Chicken head, bruh. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Karma, chicken. Get out of the way. Nice fish. Yeah. Get out of the way. Little Savage and your girl Karma hit me up on my cousin Tate's Facebook. Fantasia Williams. I think that's it.
Why
you feel like
beast?